Lydia, and today I'm going to draw with you a rabbit. It's very cute and fun to draw, and I hope you like it. Okay, as you see, I got a sheet of paper and a pencil and a few coloring pencils. We just need 2 pinks and 1 greyish white. Okay, so first we have to draw its ears. It's very easy. Just draw some long, curved cylinder shape, like that. Now we're going to draw the inside. Inside is simple, just don't draw the outside. So we start from this ear and do small arches, which is the same as this one but smaller, and do the same on the other one. Once you finish that, we're going to draw its face. Just draw a large round circle to connect it to the ears. And the eyes, you can do it on your choice, but I prefer to do it like this. You can color it in with your pencil. Now, most animals have this kind of nose. And when you have finished this nose, from the bottom is a point. You draw a line, and from the left ear you draw a curved shape and another curved shape to make it into a smile. And you can do the cheeks, so I'm going to draw like this, big and round. Now you have seen where the face looks like. We're going to do the body part down here. So we start from the left and do a same as the ears but backwards, and do the same on the other side. So that means 2 arms. From the bottom you connect it to make it as a body. Now we're going to draw its legs slightly like that on the other side, and draw a large circle to connect it as its feet. And now we finished doing the rabbit. Oh, and we have to do the tail as well. Small, fluffy, on either side. You can do it on the left or on the right. And now we just need to color it in. So these pinks, we do this one, dark one in the inside, the light one on the nose and the cheeks maybe. Okay. Color it in. For the grey one, just use this one. And if you want to do small paws, you can use this grey and do some small paws on it. Looking like it's as a rabbit. Now we're going to sign our name on it. My name is Lydia. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy how to draw a rabbit. Bye.